In this video, I will show you how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online as a fixed asset. First, click the gear icon at the top right and select Chart of Accounts. Since a vehicle is a long-term asset, we need to create a specific spot for it in your books. So next, we are going to click New at the top right to create the account. For the account name, use something clear like delivery van or pickup truck. Now, set the account type to fixed asset and the detail type to vehicle. This ensures it show up correctly on your balance sheet. Next, enter the original cost. This is the full price you paid, including sales tax and fees, but excluding insurance or fuel. Even if you finance it, enter the total purchase price here. Once you're done, click to save, and that's it.